Hello and welcome to this QuickEdge tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at multi-objects from QuickEdge. So we've seen in the previous tutorials how we can document families as individual configurations. However, what if we want to document multiple families together in a single configuration? That's where multi-object comes in. Multi-object allow you to document multiple families together in a single configuration and place them all on the same drawings or the same sheets. So instead of documenting that chair alone or that table alone, it will be able to document all of these families, for example, together in a single configuration. To illustrate that, open up QuickEdge, click on multi-object, where it will open up the new UI. Make sure you configure your options, your sheet options, your title block, your viewport title. Click on the dimension options, dimension styles, all the options that we've shown in the previous tutorials. Then open up configure views. With multi-objects, you can create in-context views. So select which views that you would like to have and select the view name suffix, view type, and the view template as we've shown before. Close. Run. This one is going to pop up. Choose a method to define the view's orientation. So now you need to define the direction of how the views will be oriented, since you're going to select multiple objects. So we won't be able to know which direction you'd like to orient the views because multiple families might have different directions. So you need to manually select which direction you want your views to be oriented to. So you have different methods that you can use to select the direction. The first one, pick a non-vertical edge, click on it. Now you can select any of these edges, and this edge would assume the right direction if you're looking at this object from an elevation front view. So for example, if you click this edge would be used as the right direction if you're looking at this object from an elevation front view. So if we click escape, pick a family instance. So this one would assume the direction that the family is facing. So it would take this direction that the family is facing, and it will use it as the right direction if you're looking at this object from an elevation front view. Same thing if you pick a curved element, for example, a wall, window, something linear, for example, something here. It will do the same thing. It will take this direction and it would assume it as the right direction from an elevation front view. The other thing, we can use the word x-axis, so the view would be aligned to the word x-axis, or you can use the word y-axis, so this would be aligned to the Revit's word y-axis coordinate, or you can draw a line to define the direction. So I can click on this one, select a point and an endpoint, and it will assume the same direction of the line that you drew. So for this example, we're going to use pick a family instance. We're going to click on this one, for example. View direction selected successful. Please select the objects to be documented. Close. Now you need to select which objects you would like to document together in the same configuration. So for example, we're going to select all of these. This means we would like to document all of these together in a single configuration. Click on finish and it's done. Click OK. As you can see, it has documented these chairs and tables together all in a single configuration. So it deals with it all together as a single object. The elevations, and that's it. That's how you use multi-object. So the next thing that we're going to take a look at is how to use multi-object to document full facades and curtain wall. So with individual documentation that we've seen in the previous tutorials, you can document individual families. For example, this individual panel or this individual door. However, with multi-object, you can document this entire facade. So to do that, open up QuickEdge. Make sure you have configured your options. Make sure you have configured your views. Now click Run. We're gonna pick a non-vertical edge. We're gonna pick this edge as our view direction. Select the objects to be documented. So we're gonna select the entire facade and click Finish. And it's done. As you can see here, it has documented the entire facade together and created all drawings, and it has documented all the facade elements together in a single configuration. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.